Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Power of focus. There was once a young man named Raghav who dreamed of climbing the tallest mountain in his country. Everyone told him it was impossible. The climb was too dangerous, too long, and too exhausting. But Raghav believed he could do it. So one morning he packed his bag, tightened his boots, and began the journey. On the first day, he was full of energy. He climbed quickly, looked at the peak, and thought, I will reach there soon. But as the days passed, the journey became harder. The peak seemed so far away. The cold winds cut through his skin. The heavy bag pulled him down, and doubt whispered in his mind, maybe I should quit. Maybe they were right. On the fourth day, exhausted, Raghav sat down near a rock and closed his eyes. He thought about giving up, but then an old shepherd who lived on the mountain passed by. The shepherd looked at him and asked, Young man, why do you sit here? Looking so defeated, Raghav replied, I want to climb to the top, but the mountain is too big, the journey is too long, I don't think I can make it. The old man smiled and said, Don't focus on the whole mountain, focus only on the next step in front of you. One step at a time, and one day you will look back and realize you have conquered the impossible. Those words hit Raghav deeply. From that moment, he stopped worrying about the peak. He stopped thinking about the miles left. He focused only on the next step, the rock in front of him, the next patch of snow, the next few meters. Step by step, day by day, he kept moving forward. Weeks later, after endless struggle, Raghav stood at the top of the mountain. Tears filled his eyes as he looked down at the path he had conquered. And he realized the secret was never strength or speed, it was focus. When you focus on the entire mountain, the goal feels impossible. When you focus on the next step, success becomes inevitable. Life is like that mountain. If you keep looking at how far you have to go, you will feel overwhelmed and quiet. But if you keep your focus on the next step and then the next and then the next, you will reach the top of any mountain you choose. So remember, don't let the size of your dream scare you. Don't let distractions fool you away. Focus on the next step and keep moving forward, because the power of focus doesn't just get you started, it gets you to the top. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.